Welcome to this beginner tutorial on how to use the PayPal app. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of setting up and using the PayPal app, providing you with a secure and convenient way to make online payments. First, you need to download and install the PayPal app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up to create a new account. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password and keep it confidential. After creating your account, you will be asked to link a payment method to your PayPal account. You can link a credit or debit card, or a bank account. To link a card, tap on Add Card and enter your card details. To link a bank account, tap on Add Bank Account and enter your bank account details. Once you have linked a payment method, you can start using the PayPal app to make payments. To make a payment, tap on the Send Money tab and enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. You can also use the Scan QR code feature to make a payment. Enter the amount you want to send and add a note if needed. Review the payment details and tap on Send to complete the transaction. The PayPal app also allows you to request money from friends or family. To request money, tap on the Request Money tab and enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Enter the amount you want to request and add a note if needed. The recipient will receive a notification and can send you the money using the PayPal app. In addition to making payments, the PayPal app also provides a range of other features such as the ability to track your transactions, view your account balance, and set up notifications. You can also use the app to shop online and in-store, and to take advantage of rewards and cashback offers. To keep your PayPal account secure, make sure to use a strong password and keep it confidential. You should also set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to PayPal. By following these steps and using the PayPal app, you can enjoy a secure and convenient way to make online payments and manage your finances. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and to use the app responsibly.